Hello guys, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to send message to someone on Plenty of Fish dating app. Now first of all, open your web browser. I'm gonna use Firefox as my web browser and type in Plenty of Fish and hit enter. Now after hitting that, it will search up Plenty of Fish link, and as you can see, click on this first link, that is www.pof.com, and after that it will send you to this official website of Plenty of Fish. Now to send someone message, first you need to find that user if you are interested on him or her, and after that, let's say I want to send message to this person, and go to this profile, and as you can see, click on this envelope logo and it will come up this chat box, and type in your first message and click on this deliver logo and click it. Now you have sent a message to this person. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this. Thank you for watching.